as a matter of fact, after Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala speaking about that, not only does he tell you shara lakum min ad-din in order to make sure that you're guarding the deen, guarding the religion, guarding the laws, guarding the legislature that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had sent and revealed onto Prophet Nuh, and revealed onto Prophet Ibrahim, onto Prophet Musa, onto Prophet Isa. But he basically tells us then, an aqimuddin, you have the responsibility to establish, to maintain, to preserve the deen, the nature, the laws that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had created in people and sent even onto the different prophets as a revelation to maintain this as a deen. Because the second that you actually go off the track, the second you go off that line that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had basically sent onto the prophets, and even off the line that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created in nature, you basically are going to come to an encountering that, guess what?